I don't think people understand how amazing Moroccan pastilla can be. Let's dive into this flavorful journey. First, grab some chicken thighs and cook them with onions, garlic, and a mix of Moroccan spices like cinnamon, ginger, and turmeric. Let those flavors meld together. Next, shred the cooked chicken and mix in some toasted almonds, parsley, and a touch of powdered sugar for that unique sweet-savory balance. Now get your phyllo pastry ready. Layer a few sheets in a baking dish, brushing each with melted butter. Pile on that yummy chicken mixture, then top with more phyllo sheets. Don't forget to butter each layer. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes or until it's golden and crispy. Your kitchen should smell incredible by now. Once it's out of the oven, give it a dusting of powdered sugar and a sprinkle of cinnamon. There you have it, a mouth-watering Moroccan chicken pastila. Give it a try and let your taste buds travel to Morocco. Enjoy!